Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to merge or divide rooms on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. Your robot automatically maps your whole home, but sometimes it may not recognize it correctly. What I mean by that is it automatically divides into the map into rooms, but sometimes it's just not correct, and you may want to divide those rooms manually or merge them if it has divided them too much. To do that, click on the Map Edit button and tap on Edit Room. Now, select a room that you would like to merge. First, select the tool, Merge or Divide. First, I'll do Merge. Now, select all the rooms that you want to merge together and save. Now, you can see they're saved into one. If you want to divide them, select Divide. Then select the room which you want to divide and draw the line. Now make sure that the line has solid line, because if it only has dotted line, then it will not divide. It has to have at least like one solid line. So let's divide it here. Let's approve. And now, as you can see, they are divided. So that's how you do it. You can also rename the rooms here or remove a part. As you can see, I have this remove square added here because once you tap on remove, select a room, basically you have a square that you can also resize and everything. And then that part is removed. As you can see, it is visible here, but when I go into the actual map, it is hidden. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.